Are we live? We are live. Okay. You may not be able to even see this. And my neighbor's power washing. So I went to Triumph this morning. They had what I needed, which was awesome. Basically, it's like a rubber thingy here. I may have this a little too tight for what it is. Actually, I might loosen it just a wee bit. Because yesterday I was complaining of vibration in my foot, and that was because it was just metal on metal on metal. So let's get that loosened a little bit now. Okay, well, that should be fine. It's good enough away from the... Yeah, it's good. Okay. I changed something. I think it was Zach. It might be. The Evotech mount. I no longer have that on the bike. It's cool, but I did switch to the Quad Lock, the Pro stem mount. I think it looks way better. It's way lower. Doesn't hit. You can see everything. Keys easier to get to. Big fan of that. I also moved the mic, so you may hear this, you may not. We will, we'll see. Jared and I are going to go on a cruise before it gets too hot. It's going to be like 90 today. So we're going to go on a cruise, and yeah, hope you enjoy. I don't know these turns that well. So I think I need to do a little bit more tweaking to the exhaust for the vibration thing. It could be because I don't have a clamp on it, which I didn't explain in yesterday's video, but there's no clamp. But it's like a slip-on, and then the donut gasket like links to it, so it's not gonna fall off by any means, and you can feel that there's no air coming out from it, which is a good thing. So who knows? I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's all good. Where did Jared go? I'm gonna go really slow. Yeah, so I mean, I think it sounds awesome. It's pretty loud, but I am getting used to it already. This is like my second ride with it, so yeah, no problems over here. I always forget there's a gas station up here. You ready, Jared? This thing backfires and pops like nobody's business. I'm a big fan of it. I moved the mic. I don't know if it's gonna sound better. I think in the previous clip I said that I moved it. I moved it from like right in front to my side. I felt like you were hearing too much breathing. Hey, I didn't get off the gas there, and I grabbed the clutch like a stupid. Yep. Hey, what are you f***ing doing, you just unbelievable, man. Yeah, it was fun. Sure. go straight, and then you'll get a little wet, but you should be fine. Hey, nice knowing you, dude. You could have gone around, boop, and then boop. Yep. Nice job, buddy. Probably wouldn't recommend to go off the curb. Oh, I look cool in the reflection. All right. Some rocks over here. Lots of rocks. Who looks horny? Oh, you go around the other way again. All right. Now the question, my lord, is where do you want to go from here? No, we can go back into the city. It's fine. Okay, come on. Stan? That's what Stan has, the neighbor. Yeah. Hey, it could be. Yeah, but if I move my foot to the middle, it doesn't hurt, which is weird. Car pulling out up front. Where's the guy? Nice. Another day behind a car. Yep. Yeah? You're going fast. '93 is the fastest. You're gone. It gets a little scary up top on a naked bike. You're holding on for dear life. I saw somebody commented to like riding a naked bike fast, like you're a parasail. And then I just thought about like you turning into like a big sail. Oh, that's stupid. Whatever. Don't listen to me. All right, we're gonna make a left here. We're not gonna go back up, but I know a shortcut. My hand is getting tired. the side. No blinker though. It does smell like barbecue. It smells like some good, I'll tell you what now.